What's going on, guys? It's Mr. DEBT, Joe Lorick from the Money Etiquette Group, and the news we've been waiting for is finally here. Coinbase, their S1 filing details has been revealed. We finally know how much revenue Coinbase brought in 2019 and 2020. We finally know if they've been making money or losing money. We finally know the details we need to know about the IPO, which will be a direct listing, what the ticker symbol will be, COIN, and pretty much all the information we would need before making a decision to invest in Coinbase. So if you're a person that's going to invest in Coinbase, you're interested in investing in one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges known to man. I'm talking about the New York Stock Exchange of exchanges in the cryptocurrency world. If you're interested in doing so, pay attention, listen up for the details as we begin. All right, guys, let's get right to it. When you want to buy and sell cryptocurrency, you go to Coinbase. There are other exchanges out there that are popular, some that have more cryptocurrencies like Binance. Yes, that is true. But when it comes to the most popular place to trade cryptocurrency, that title, that distinguished title, belongs to Coinbase. If you're not familiar with Coinbase, look it up. I've done videos on them in the past. Get yourself familiar, but just understand this is a place where you can exchange, you can buy and sell 24/7, always open market cryptocurrencies. And they're going public, the biggest exchange in cryptocurrency history to go public. And with that being said, let's look at the numbers. When it comes to revenue, Coinbase brought in $1.3 billion in 2020 compared to $533 million in 2019. So they doubled their revenue in 1 year.
That boy good.
And not only is their revenue going in the right direction, also they cut their losses. And in fact, in 2019, they saw a loss, while in 2020, they saw a net income. The specific numbers are, in 2020, they brought in $322.3 million of net income. Again, $322.3 million in net income, and that was from a $30.4 million loss in 2019. So again, we went from a loss of $30 million to $322 million in net income, which is a great change for a company that's about to go public. A lot of times these big companies, they have their tech companies, they come out, they're not making money. Well, Coinbase is making money today. And remember, they only have 1,100 to 1,200 employees as of today. When it comes to usage, to back the numbers that I put out there in terms of being the most popular app, the most popular platform to trade on with cryptocurrency in the United States, we're talking about 2.8 million monthly transacting users, active users. 2.8 million people are actively transacting on Coinbase per month. Now they have a total of 43 million users. It's just everyone isn't acting. And just because someone's not active, it doesn't mean that they're not into the market. It doesn't mean that they're not a fan of the platform. A lot of people hold, a lot of people invest and they hold, and this is a place that they hold their money because you have wallets, you have a lot of places where you can hold your money here. People feel like it's secure. So if you want to hold your money on an exchange, which it seems like the government's going that direction and making you do so, Coinbase has been a relatively safe place to do so. And again, they have an estimated 43 million users, but 2.8 million monthly active users, 2.8. Now, when it comes to their future developments and what they're going to get into, we're talking about banking. We're talking about working with Visa. In fact, if you're not familiar, if you're not a person that uses Coinbase currently, they do have a product that's going to come out soon. I'm in line to get one myself, and it's a credit card, a Coinbase card backed by Visa, which will have no annual fees and no membership fees. So this is a credit card that will be tied to your cryptocurrency, so you can use your crypto real time for purchases. It will convert your money from crypto to dollars if you needed to. Certainly, if there's vendors and merchants that accept crypto, they'll accept it through this card, but that card is coming. So this is a business that's not only in the business of making sure that people have a marketplace to buy and sell cryptocurrency, but we're also talking about this company going more into lending. They're getting into credit through Visa, but they're also going to look into lending against your balances and giving you loans against your balances in cryptocurrency. And those cards will come with cryptocurrency benefits. So let's just say you plan a vacation, you want to use your crypto, you use your Visa. Well, they are offering benefits which will give you some crypto for using your card. It might be Bitcoin, it might be Stellar Lumen. We'll see. I think it's going to be Stellar Lumen because of partnerships. But if you use the card, it looks like you will get real life cryptocurrency benefits along with maybe even some interest in cash by using the card. So this is the direction they're going. Again, it's not just about being an exchange. This place is more like a bank. They're going to lend money. They're going to lend money to merchants and small businesses. They're going to make sure when it comes to transacting, they can provide a platform for them. And while they may not be PayPal, they may not be Cash App, they probably will partner with companies like this instead of being a direct competitor because of the technology and the experience that they have versus some of these newer platforms. But we'll see. Either way, the largest cryptocurrency exchange is going public. And lastly, we're talking about a direct IPO. Okay, we're not talking about a traditional IPO, which goes out to the big banks and big institutional investors first. No, this is going to be a non-traditional IPO. There's going to be a direct listing on Nasdaq. Again, the ticker symbol is going to be COIN, 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 direct listing, which means when it comes to competition, you're not on an even playing field, but you're on a much more level playing field in this environment versus traditional IPOs, because when that IPO drops, it's going to be listed probably higher than what most people like. But at least when it comes to buying opportunities, you can buy in at the bottom level and watch that grow compared to when you deal with traditional IPOs and you have to wait until the big boys get all the money and then they drive the price up and it's 100%. And by the time it hits retail traders, you can't buy it until it's 120, 130% increased or marked up from its initial value. So that's something to take note. But guys, let me know in the comment section. I want to know from you guys, are you investing in Coinbase? Me, I can say without a doubt, unless something major comes up, unless something happens with regulation, which makes me feel like they're not going to do it. But I don't believe that's going to happen because I think this company has done its homework. I think they're tied into the government and they work with the government and not against the government. I feel like they're going to do well. I feel like this is a company that I want to bet on for the next 10 years. So yes, again, I'm not saying this is trading advice. I'm not advising you to purchase cryptocurrency companies, exchanges, invest in IPOs or anything connected to Coinbase and Coinbase stock. But what I am saying is I'm interested because we have a few things. We have a company that's turning a profit. We have an industry it's tied to, which is only going to grow from here, which will become regulated and which will grow. We have the potential with so many users and active users to see lending. We have the potential to see other uses when it comes to merchants, making sure that people are tied to cryptocurrency. They are in position and they have the brand to win, and branding is important. So I'm behind it. You can let me know in the comment section if you're not, or if you are. Nevertheless, do something, like, share, comment. Let me know what you think in the comment section. If you think I'm an idiot, if you think these numbers don't sell you, let me know. I don't care. I want to hear from you. I appreciate your support. Let me know something.